So we have a problem because we have to pay 250 euro for, and then there's arguments going on.
Go together to this guy and we pay to this guy.
It's quite exhausting, but we ate watermelon.
In reality, if I don't pay him,
We cannot,
get in Senegal. So
like for yelling at him, because like I was kind of built up on that, this kind of like a scam, corruption, and just like a snap one moment.
good morning, TV crew.
Today we are gonna head to the border.
Yeah.
And our plan is to get into Senegal. And you know, one thing, like going to the Senegal border is quite famous for corruption, bribery. But Diama is better than Rosso. Rosso is really, really hard to get in without, you know, money.
Yeah, there's two ways to go. One is on the paved road, which goes to Rosso, and we have to take a kind of floating barge,
Yeah.
which is supposed to be super, super rough.
Yeah.
So now we are on a really rough dirt road to get to Diama, but there's supposed to be less rough there, so we chose to take this 70-kilometer dirt track.
road, yeah. But still, we gotta pay a little bit of money, so we are well prepared. Yeah.
We are going to be scammed. We already know this. We're prepared for it.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, there's probably nothing we can do about it, but you know. Oh shoot!
Oh my god.
Oh wow!
How we can get in?
I'm gonna have to take this from a different approach.
Alright.
That is a 45-degree, guys. So I think we'll go this way.
되겠나? Oh my god. Oh my god. 미쳤나봐.
That came from nowhere. Huh? Okay.
예쁘긴 예쁘다, 여기 나무가 많아서. 완전 TV 댄싱하는데 오늘. How we are gonna get through this one?
I don't want to scratch on the brush, but we have to go this side. The other side's just too risky.
Yeah.
Wow. Alright, here we go. Oh shoot.
Oh my god. Now I wish we had wrapped our car.
There's a big drop off on
Yeah.
the left side. That's slowly.
Yeah, slowly, steady.
It's alright.
It's okay. It's alright.
Let's go. We're not expecting that,
Oh.
but we are almost out.
Oh my god.
One last little dip.
아니 저쪽 분이가 별로 도로 좋아 보이진 않는데 표정이 점점 나 안 좋아지고 있어. Oh my god, tree, right?
Yeah,
Oh my god, our solar panel.
we have to double check them.
내 쪽에 딥 있다.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. I think that should be the toughest part.
이거 아닌 것 같다. Oh my god. Yeah, 우리 진짜 it's a good thing that we raised the bottle, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna cross the border. I can see the border building, but you know, I need to hide our camera bottom here. Okay, let's get ready. Didn't pay. It was quite good, right? They're friendly. problem because we have to pay 250 euro for the campervan. But you know, like there's document doesn't say 250 euro, and we request the receipt, at least write it so that it will be proof that we pay. But they say that they cannot give it right now because we were waiting almost 5 hours, and then there's arguments going on.
Together now. We go together to this guy and we pay to this guy. You know,
Like that.
he give me receipt, he give him receipt for this, and we pay to him. Why I must pay here for?
그러니까 지금 the point of it is that you know we can pay and move on. But the thing is like it's the area that we go and then like someone say that like pay again, then we don't have any proof. Document that doesn't say 250 euro. They're not gonna give us 250 euro receipt. So they're having a little bit of you know like, hey, why don't we go to St. Louis and pay it? And then to him directly and then get the receipt, they'll be fine. But they say no, you have to pay. And it's quite exhausting.
Got some watermelon.
보도에서 그 국경에서 계신 분이 줬어요. 그래서 수박 먹고 같이 기다리고 있습니다. 지금 기다린 지 한 얼마 됐지?
이제 4시간?
250유로 지불을 요청해서
Oh, you remember me, buddy?
Yeah.
You remember me? Do you remember me? Good. Yeah, you giant head, you.
So what we are doing, we are camping at the border because the guy who's doing that passavant, 250 euros, he refused to do the receipt today, and he's not St. Louis, and he said like my work, no one can force me to do something. And it's kind of rude message we got it from him, so we said like fine, we can wait and we're gonna camp and then just send us the receipt tomorrow. And then he said yes, tomorrow, but we are gonna see how it goes, but it's quite fishy.
So today is actually New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
So we're gonna spend New Year's
With a friend.
with friends
At the
like
border.
this.
Hello.
We really wanted to. There's the gate to leave the border, unguarded. You can just drive right through. But yeah, we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna stay right here and wait till tomorrow, and hopefully we can get the receipt. I doubt it.
I hate when you don't have 100% information.
Yeah.
You know, and
I think the worst thing is if you pay 250 euros and it helps the people, you know, it's okay.
yeah,
But
yeah.
we're paying 250 euros to some criminal
yeah,
in the
yeah,
big
yeah, yeah.
city, you know, that's what I hate.
I think, come on, 250 euro you paid, you know, and he after this, the stupid European guys paid and don't ask and whatever, you know. Yeah, this is party time.
이렇게는
Ah,
없지.
good, you like.
Yeah, that's romantic here.
Nostrovia. Oh,
This is really good. This is not sugar inside.
what is that joke? Oh, you're kidding. The fireworks, huh? Scaring him.
Good morning, TV Korea. Today is New Year Day. This first day of the 2023, and we are still at the border and awaiting the guy who's gonna bring the receipt. We had a pretty good sleep, and I was kind of tired yesterday, and now I'm making the first meal for us. First meal for New Year. Yeah, and then we have a good company, and Mark is hanging out with him outside, and Sancho and the mama dog is outside too. it's, yeah, overall, it turns out good, you know.
Time for Sancho's walking time. Hey, buddy. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, come.
It's really hot, and finally we got the receipt. Stupid, one paper thing, but anyways, we got it, and we are gonna go to campsite. It is really hot. I need to take a shower, and we need to wash our clothes too. When it's finally we can go.
See you next time. Later.
Okay, guys, 24 hours stuck at the border. Finally, we're on the road. Actually, I didn't get that information because I just talked with Mark, and the guy, who's doing that business, he drove Porsche. So yeah, it's not. We know it's a scam or
And he really emphasized that I don't have to pay him. Like it's 100% my choice that I'm paying him. He really emphasized it, but in reality, if I don't pay him,
we cannot.
it's Senegal, so
yeah.
I do have to pay him.
Yeah,
So it's obviously not on the up and up. It's definitely 100% a scam. It's a scam at a high level.
Yeah.
So it's just one of those that you cannot avoid. After I left, some of the border employees started washing his car.
It's like when you cross a border like this, people get angry at the border officer. Sometimes the people who are selling the SIM card or exchange, we spend the hours with them, and then I realize that they need the money. They're working,
Yeah. They're really nice.
Yeah, they're nice. Even the parking fee was 60 cents. Somehow I couldn't calculate the money, and I yell at him. And then later I feel so sorry, for yelling at him, because I was kind of built up on this kind of a scam, corruption, and just a snap one moment. He was there, so he had to deal with him.
Always the parking guy because he's the last guy.
Yeah, he was the last guy, and I saw him and he got always yelled at by so many people. But he's not the person to be blamed. He just write a receipt for 66 cents. You pay 250 euros. That guy doesn't want to do the receipt. Why he didn't come yesterday? He was doing a party with a Porsche. But Senegal is really nice. So we heard it. We are so ready to be enjoying this adventure, right?
Yep.
Yeah. But hopefully